My husband, the love of my life, just confessed he's been sleeping with our neighbor. I left my husband 4 days ago when he told me he had an affair with a neighbor. It lasted a little over a month. He confessed to me because he was so full of guilt. He told me they started out just saying hi when passing out on morning runs. It gradually grew into them talking and running together, then escalated to going to her house and having sex. I suspected something was off. He has been cold and distant. Sometimes he would be short with me. He wasn't interested in sex with me, so it stopped completely. I suspected an affair. My husband has always been wonderful. We were always so affectionate and communication was on point. We were wanting to have a baby soon, and before the affair, we were trying. When he told me about the affair, he was just sick. He couldn't explain why he did what he did. He claims he hadn't fallen out of love with me. He was attracted to her physically and was infatuated. He came to his senses. Broke it off. She didn't take it well. He begged me not to leave and wanted to get counseling. He was seriously a wreck. I felt he was remorseful. But I was just sick with betrayal and mistrust. The coldness he treated me with just broke my heart. I went for testing and panels, and I was just a mess. I can't believe my marriage was at this point. I stayed for a few days after, and he was / trying everything to make things right. But I feel so sad, sick, and numb. I am broken-hearted. Anyway, I told my husband I couldn't be with him anymore. I didn't say divorce, but I said we were done. I asked him to leave. He was very upset, but he did. He's at a hotel. As I said, she didn't want to let go so easily. She wanted to leave her husband. And was trying to convince my husband to leave me. He wouldn't. We have been married 5 years. We have 1 child, a boy. He's 3. She has 3 kids. My husband is visiting our son every day after his long shifts. He's an emergency room doctor, so he works late. He asked if he could visit our son and tuck him in at night. Of course, I said yes. Sunday after Halloween trick-or-treating, my husband asked if we could talk. I don't know how I got myself into this, but he really pressured me into sex. We talked and maybe I drank a bit too much. I was upset and guilty for feeling down on Halloween. I felt it was taking away from my son. The next thing I know, I am getting out of the shower and he put the baby in bed. He's all over me, begging me to forgive him. He's on top of me, kissing me and then having sex with me. I definitely didn't want sex. I was tipsy, but I told him no. He's just trying to convince me to give in. Let him show me he's sorry, etc. I was uncomfortable with all of this. He ends up sobbing after it's over, saying he f***ed up our marriage and he wants to die. He's so ashamed and embarrassed. He's doing horrible at work, leaves early, he can't get his head right. He's saying over and over again, "What have I done?" I believe he's remorseful. But I don't know what to do. I have lost respect and trust in my husband. I keep having this image of him making love to her. He avoids sex with me. But now he's all over me? During sex, he didn't have a condom with me, and he didn't withdraw. I was just shocked. I asked him what the hell he was doing, ejaculating inside me. He was aggressive, he would just hold me down harder. He apologized, but he's losing it. He's never been like that with me sexually, ever. He seems like he has changed. He's begging me to forgive, but I feel like our marriage is a mess. I do not know if I can conjure up the willpower to mend a broken marriage. I don't know if love is enough once trust is thrown out the window. Today he called me and said he was so sorry for what he's put me through, sent roses, and spoke on how he's too ashamed to face our family. They're so disappointed in him. I am too. I feel so sick and I can't stop my mind from racing. Maybe divorce is the only option? I just cannot believe I am going through this. I thought I was the love of his life. Will I live through this? Should I cut my ties with him and move in with my life? I have a hard time trusting. Now my husband/best friend broke my heart. I please some advice on what I should consider for my next move. I'm so broken I could just cry. Update: my husband cheated on me with our neighbor. I told her husband everything this morning. My husband cheated on me with our neighbor. I told her husband everything this morning. It turns out that he wanted to meet me. Why? My husband told him the day he confessed to me. He told him everything. He was trying to break it off with her, and she wouldn't have it. She started blowing up the hospital phone looking for my husband. My husband was taken into the director's office because she was causing so much trouble. Her husband left her, put her out. She's gone to her sister out of state and he has the kids. He asked me if I needed anything. He was very kind. But he respects my husband for coming to him. Apologized, and my husband was telling him he was going to lose his family. He says my husband was an absolute mess. He also said that his wife has cheated before. With a high school ex-boyfriend she found on Facebook. I didn't tell him about him forcing himself on me. Until Reddit, I honestly didn't know that your husband could sexually assault you. I have spoken to a lawyer today. He said yes, spousal rape is real, but incredibly hard to prove. Also, he has a right to our home. He comes in with his keys. This evening he showed up out of the blue. He realizes he hurt me during sex. He realizes he did something wrong because he corners me in the kitchen. I was giving him space and time with his son. He is respectful towards me. He hasn't demanded to speak to me or harass me. I was in the kitchen, trying to eat something. He did corner me, asked me to hear him out after I said please I don't want to do this. Seeing him is heartbreaking. He was my best friend. The one person I went to when I needed advice or to cry. Now I can't, so that is hard. He apologized for being aggressive with me the other night. He realized that he was wrong for not being more concerned with my feelings. But he just wanted to make love to me. He thought I would realize how much he loved me. He couldn't stop once he started. He claims to be losing his mind. He is taking a mental health leave from work. I have to ask my lawyer about changing the locks. Because he made me feel really uncomfortable tonight. He lied and said he would leave after giving the baby a bath and put him down. He would be on a completely opposite side of the house. He comes into the kitchen again. He puts his arms around me. He was hugging me, but he wouldn't let me go. He didn't hurt me. But he was saying please let me hold you. I love you, please don't leave me. I will do anything to make this right for you. I love you. I'm sorry. I felt terrible, but I didn't give in. I don't think I can ever get over this. I have people telling me to leave. Others say he is remorseful. But I don't think I can trust again. His actions have broken 2 homes. The hearts of many young kids, their lives will never be the same. My life will never be the same. He's told his best friend, which is my friend's husband. He's been confiding in him and telling him that he is not losing me. He won't. To me, that sounds threatening. Because he is never mean or hostile towards me. But he can be. I have seen him in arguments and a fight with other men. In college, he beat the hell out of a guy. He's pretty tall and muscular. I'm 5 feet 7 inches and 125. I just can't help but think of women being murdered by men they loved. I fear that. What if I tell him about the lawyer and wanting a divorce? What if he won't have it? He's always been in love with me. I'm not saying it in a braggish way. But he has always been protective of me and a bit clingy and always says he doesn't want to ever live without me. It was good when things were good, but now, it's not so good considering I am considering the divorce. People change. He's always been good to me. He's always taken care of everything. I have a medical degree too, in medical science, but I never worked long in my field. So, he is definitely the money maker. I do control the finances. He's always open and generous. But if he finds out all the things I did today, he may change. He definitely has a temper. That's my fear. Unfaithful after 1 month of marriage. Not me, 29 female, him, 28 male. After 1 month of marriage, I saw messages on his phone between him and a coworker. We got married the first weekend of August. These messages were sent back and forth from the end of August until I read them on October 6th. We have 1 vehicle. It's mine. I work from home, 2 jobs, so I let him use my car to go to work. I didn't have a problem with it as my job keeps me pretty busy during the day, but I noticed he was coming home pretty late with it. He's a teacher. I've been through school before. Never did I have class until 7 p.m. in elementary school. I should have known something was up. He would take my car on the weekends and stay gone until 6 in the morning. Finally, I stopped letting him use the car and he was so angry. I now know it's because he has no other way to see his mistress. There was one particular message where the AP mentioned that she woke up and he wasn't there. Well, that's because he was creeping back into our house. I feel so used and so played. We just got married. I've been busting my butt to get us this house, furnish it, perform well at my jobs, and be a wife. I've put furniture together alone. I've cooked meals that no one ate but me. I've been alone 80% of the 2 months we've been married. And I feel so broken. I want out. I don't want to fix it. There is no excuse for it. After all the pressure he put on me to create this dream life, the entire time he was only halfway in it. He doesn't pay bills. He doesn't clean up after himself. He wanted a sugar mama and not a wife. And I just hate that we had to get married for me to really understand this.